Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit WhatsApp messages. Not only messages, send messages on WhatsApp. Yes, previously, what we have to do, we have to delete our old send messages to rewrite the new message. But now, you can edit the send message to correct. So to know the process, watch this video till the end. First of all, just open up the WhatsApp application. Now select the person. Now click on the message which you want to edit. For example, I want to edit this message, hi. So I will long press on this message. I'll get the option of three dots. So just tap on three dots. And now as you can see these options and click on this edit. Now you can see the option of editing on messages has been enabled. So now you can re-edit this message like that. And now if you tap on this send button, you can see in this message the edited option has been popped up. That means this message was edited. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.